looked a lot like Daddy. Our Daddy looked a lot like him. It's not the way I had him pictured. Santa was much too thin. He didn't come down the chimney, so Mama must have let him in. Santa looked a lot like Daddy. Our Daddy looked a lot like him. Well, they thought I was fast asleep and they thought I was tucked in bed. They never thought that I'd come a peeping or that I'd hear what was said. Santa put his arm around Mama and Mama put her arm around him. So if Santa Claus ain't Daddy, then I'm gonna tell on them. Well, Santa looked a lot like Daddy. Our Daddy looked a lot like him. It's not the way I had him pictured. Santa was much too thin. He didn't come down the chimney, so Mama must have let him in. Santa looked a lot like Daddy. Our Daddy looked a lot like him. I never saw a dancer, a prancer.
Merry Christmas! Oh, little girl. Oh, little boy. Oh, where's that big boy? Where'd he go? He's hiding. Oh, there he is. Hey.
I
Let me
think
pick up
I
this
see
little girl over here. Hey, gee, Santa Claus. Hey, you folks see some Santa Claus is red? Huh? Oh, yeah, Santa Claus get a chair
I
here.
haven't seen him.
Here we go. Hey, there we go. Hey, hi, what's your name? Ooh,
It's quite a likeness.
hey, there's Santa Claus. Who's that over there?
That's Mama.
Ooh, what's my name? Come sit on my lap, little boy. Come on,
Hey.
hurry over here.
Wait a minute.
Get over here.
Wait a minute.
minute.
There we go.
Pick in minute.
What's your name?
That's not you. It's not Santa. You. That's because I see boo-boos on your fingers. Look at
I'll get a picture as evidence, Joe.
Hi, little girl.
I think I see a problem.
What's your name, little girl?
I think Santa has boo-boos.
What's your name?
Make it all full. You gotta make a lot of
What's my
toys.
name?
He helps the elves so he can.
What do you want for Christmas? Hey,
But that's not
What do you
too
want
much.
for
That's
Christmas?
not that much boo-boos.
huh?
Oh yeah.
No.
He
I
heals
What
quick.
do you want for
Yeah,
Christmas?
Heals
but
quick.
I see a shirt that he doesn't have.
Sure he doesn't have.
Yeah, it looks like that.
I don't think so. Well, maybe they have the same shirt. They shop at the same store.
Hey,
No.
Jenny, go look at camera. Look at Santa.
what do you want for Christmas? Toys? What kind of toys you want?
Is that where
toys?
you?
Well, little toys.
Yeah, is that you? It doesn't look like you.
Doesn't look like me. No. I got different glasses, that's why. These are Santa glasses. Yeah. You look like you're gonna be a Santa when you get big.
And that will be it.
Yeah. Ouch! Ooh. Ouch!
Wait a minute. I see a mustache. He doesn't have a mustache.
Hey,
And
what's your name? What's your name?
Can I see your
What do you want
hat
for
for
Christmas,
me?
Sammy?
Jenny wants to see his eyes.
Can I see
Can I see your hat for a minute?
I think that's not Santa. Huh? Can I see under your beard too? I
How can you see under somebody's beard?
Oh, I have to
It's attached their
shave.
face.
Oh, it takes a long time to shave. Oh, ouch, ooh, ow,
Are you
ow, ooh, ow, ow!
allowed to send what beer?
Oh, that's a real one. Took me a long time to grow that.
Yeah, but
Cold up the North Pole. It keeps my face warm.
Jenny, Joey, turn around so I can get your picture. Joe, turn around, look at the camera.
Whoops.
Joe, go stand next to Santa and turn around so I can take your picture.
Is that your mommy over there? She wants to take your picture if that's your mom.
Look at the camera. Hey, look at the camera.
Oh, it's okay.
He's sharp on it.
Look at the camera, babe.
Let me get over here.
You just cut his arm.
Let me get the baby.
how do you know his name when you're Santa? You're not.
Santa knows everybody's name.
I know everybody's name. I know if you've been good,
Santa doesn't
and I
know.
know if you've been bad.
So Santa, has Joey been good lately?
Oh, he's been okay.
Call him Daddy. I didn't know what happened to Daddy. Daddy, that's you. Yes, it is.
Hey,
That's you.
come stand over here.
Go stand over there.
You go get a picture with your mommy.
That's not.
Go stand over there, please.
Ah!
Come on. Put your arm around you. Is this your brother? Is this your brother?
That's
Put your arm around your brother.
You're not.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera. Smile.
Ready?
Say, Santa Claus.
Let's go.
Smile.
Smile.
Smile. Cheese.
Do you want the flash too?
Yeah, probably.
I'll try the flash. Hang on.
Your mommy's gonna try the flash this time.
Ready?
Say cheese.
Everybody smile.
Say, boo boo to the who's.
Yay.
Santa doesn't know that word, right?
Ooh, ouch, pull my beard. Ouch. Ouch.
Santa knows everything.
Santa knows every word in every language.
Here you go. Try one more picture.
Go on over there,
Come
Jojo.
over here there, little boy. That's your name, Joe? That's a nice name.
Ready?
Look at that lady.
Look at the camera.
There we go. Cheese. Say cheese. There we go. How about that one? That one come on good?
Not bad, not bad.
All right. Very good. I gotta get going. I got a lot of toys to deliver today.
Boo boo to the who's.
Daddy. Yes, you are.
Well, I think your daddy's in the poo-poo party there.
No, the light is off.
Oh, yeah. He likes to go with the light off, I think.
I think he went downstairs so it wouldn't be
Doesn't
stinky.
smell so bad when he shuts the light off.
Except he turns the radio up.
I meant by where do you put your clothes on?
Bye-bye, little Jenny. Bye-bye. Santa Claus gonna go now.
Won't you stay here? You really sit, Daddy.
No, I gotta get going. I gotta
What?
let little boys and girls.
Mommy.
bring toys.
Yes, darling.
Why Daddy thinks he's Santa? It's not really him, right?
No.
Yeah.
One with this
I don't
here.
know where Daddy
Picture.
went.
Yeah,
Hang
we're
on. Hang on.
I didn't know what happened to Daddy. Do you see him? You seen him?
There we go.
Ready?
Ready?
Tell me, have you
Stop
seen?
shaking.
Okay.
Stand still there, Lou.
Now a picture of only Louie.
Ready?
Hey, Lou.
Hey, Lou.
There we go. There we go.
Well, you opened a lot of presents at the North Pole.
That's
didn't
probably
you?
kind of
That's all right.
wiggly.
One more. Speaking of. It's awfully hot in this house.
Come on.
This house.
Yes, it is, but I'm sweating.
Man, I gotta get going.
Yeah,
I got
that one
some,
took a while.
I'm very thirsty too. I got some drinks out in the sleigh. I'm gonna go get to. Rudolph will drink it all on me. That's why he's got a big red
Got a
nose.
red nose, yeah.
Let me look in the minute. Let me look.
Okay, be good, little boy. Be good, little girl. Hi there, young lady.
You better hurry up. He's looking for the sled.
Uh-oh.
I don't see the
Oh,
sled.
it's on the roof.
It's on the roof.
What the?
What the
Why
heck?
cover it up?
Bye-bye, little girl.
You're not really Santa.
Bye-bye. 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 Santa Claus loves you. Oh boy, she don't know what to make of it. Oh, hey, bye there. Hi there, young lady.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.
Oh.
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Oh, bye-bye.
Happy 4th of July.
Bye,
Bye, Santa.
Bye.
How did he come on the roof?
He's magic.
Hey, you, come back here, please.
No?
Come back here.
I'm sleepy, I know.
Kind of sleepy?
No, I just looked out on the stairs to see if it needs some petting.
To see if what?
I think the stairs are kind of, it's kind of dirty.
Stairs are kind of dirty?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I think it's kind of dirty like Daddy's.
The stairs are dirty like Daddy's?
Yeah, Daddy has dirty stairs, I know.
Daddy's got dirty stairs?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Really?
Yeah. It's just,
With you. There we go. Is that better?
Bring him over here.
Over here. You
Don't get into Mom. We're responsible.
Bad that is misfortune.
She's killing us all laughing.
We're the young responsible ones.
Well, what are you doing there, poor child?
when's Daddy coming back?
There we go. Thank you, kiddo. How are you?
He's not happy anywhere. I think done in that party.
Joe, I think Daddy had to go to the potty, and I think he went downstairs.
He's got a whole bunch of Santa's beard.
Did you pull out Santa's beard?
Ew, don't eat that. Ew.
Whoa.
Are you ready?
Oh!
He wants to try it.
You just want to play with the shiny thing, huh?
Dad, Auntie, you made these for?
Yeah, there's nothing coming out of those ones either, buddy.
What? Daddy, that was you.
Right there.
Daddy,
Just, you know,
Yeah.
is that what you made? Then I see something. I see some lines on your head.
Oh, man, I'm sweating. I was in the bathroom, man.
I would definitely vomit.
What?
Hot in here.
Is that the wheel
Oh,
Santa
I
was
would. I'm
with
almost
you?
vomiting right
What,
now.
Santa came?
Oh,
I missed them again?
Yeah.
Oh.
oh,
You miss them
yeah.
every
I
year.
miss
would
them all the
vomit, yeah.
time.
I think because you.
You think what?
I think because you. I think when you come over here and talk.
No, shoving my fingers in my mouth.
You're used to having long slender things in your mouth.
You know when you were going that.
It's ours, so you can't
Oh,
see it.
yeah?
Yeah, it's
I don't
ours.
know. I didn't gonna go up there. Auntie's waiting for it.
Hey.
Wow, I miss Santa Claus again, huh?
Yeah, well,
Well, I guess I miss him all the time.
are you going this party?
Where?
No.
Yeah, that's the one I was in. That's right. Yeah, that one. That's the one I was in. Yep. Because I didn't want to be too stinky out there. Everybody was eating pie. We was going to eat pumpkin pie, and if Daddy was too stinky, nobody would want to eat.
Yeah, but
So what's
I
that
didn't
one?
eat it yet.
That's the bathroom I was in.
She's still freaking laughing where the kid had to die.
That's the bathroom I was in, the one in Auntie's bedroom. I found it. Yep.
Wait for pie.